Hey guys, it's me, Majestical Bunny 101 here, and today I'm jumping off the walls because I forgot about this. That one of my Christmas gifts was diamonds for Animal Jam, and you guys know. Wait, I did get a diamond today since I'm a member, and every Tuesday you get a diamond, but I think it's 10 diamonds, pretty sure, and I'm super excited. So you guys ready for this moment? Put on your licking balls! Ready? Yes, it's 10 diamonds. Oh my goodness. I need to screenshot this. I know, it's like hashtag Bab. Wait, no, that's not good enough. Command F4. Then everybody knows. Probably. Okay. I'm hyped. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Let me. Bear with me. I'm gonna take my phone and take a picture of this and send it to my best friend. Because she's has a competition with me. We're trying to see who can get the most diamonds. It's just weird. So I'm actually gonna make it so then. Okay, so guys, okay, so let's go to the diamond shop. You guys do not even know how excited I am. I'm like, and you know what's really cool is I already had I had 7 diamonds before this, but look, they're all 7s. I don't know. It's just cracker. Just cracker. Just cracker. Sorry if I'm being annoying. Okay. So I just sent her the photo because it takes a lot of photos to send. But anyway, let's get started. Oh, darn it. Someone says. Okay, you guys ready to make this epic purchase of an Arctic wolf? Okay. I was like, every time I get to the Possible Animal Jam before I had the Animal Jam YouTube account, I was like, oh man, wish I could capture this on camera. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready? Okay, I need to pick a good name. Magical. That sounds nice. Magical. I want to have this one be Lily because I just feel like so awesome. I feel like once you have a diamond animal, it's like you got the right of the way. Like, I got this animal called diamonds. Like, I don't like when they choose your own names because it's like Sparkle, Magical, Desert, or Dessert, or Bug, Cat, Cheetah. Are you kidding me? Oh, no. I'm kind of close to the else. I'm gonna miss it soon, so I need to slow down. Okay, you guys do not know how excited I was. My mom was like, hey, what'd you buy with those 10 diamonds on Animal Jam? And I was like, I totally forgot. Majestical Fast Lily. That sounds, I don't really care. Oh my goodness, are you guys ready? I'm on Flake. Is that really me? Oh my goodness, is that me? I'm not sure. Oh, no, that is not good. As well as, let's pick the eyes. These eyes are not nice. Really, anything good goes with this. Black eyes, oh yeah. Almost anything goes with the Arctic wolf. Oh, we need to pick a color. Let's pick this color. I'm so awesome. Did it not change to purple? Oh, it didn't, apparently. No, I don't. I want that. No, what happened? bottom cheek. Oh yes. Now I look so awesome. Now I just like look good. See what else? Accessorize. No, that does not look good. Ooh, purple sneakers. Purple sneakers. Tutu. No tutu. No tutu. How does that look? I think that looks fine for now. It's just for now, honestly. Okay, I'm actually going to take another picture of this. Because you can never get wrong. Go wrong. Okay. Like, I am so awesome right now. Feel so awesome. Photos. No, this does not look good. Okay. Wait, no, don't leave the diamond shop. Don't leave the diamond shop, Benny. I want to pick a swag den. Oh my goodness. Tell me, guys. I'm probably already gonna buy this one. I don't want to get this. I don't want to get the Greely's hideout. Do you want to get the bouncy castle? Because I already have it. I don't want to get the Sky Kingdom. I kind of want to get the, no. I either want Crystal Place. Wait, whatever happened? Sky Kingdom is way too big. Actually, I'm going to save my diamonds. Well, it depends if they have something. Oh, this. I have a question. I said that really loud. Wait, they're getting rid of these. You can buy started colors. Started colors aren't that cool, but like, it's what most members do if they don't have a spiked collar. That's kind of upsetting. I really want these. Wait, isn't it? Oh, I thought these were the glitched ones. Pink is like, I heard pink's like the best color, or if they even have pink. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. I think I should honestly, it depends how much is longer. Oh yeah, that's out for a long more time. Oh, let's get a pet. A pet. Wait, is that legit? Wow. Is there an eye? That's kind of. I already have this one. Yeah, there's no like really good ones. Let's see if any of my buddies are. I know I only have 3 buddies because none of my friends really get on here. Anyway, that's super cool. Oh my goodness. Can I leave? Or not? I want to see what other looks Arctic Wolves have because I feel like Arctic Wolves are really easy to dress and they're really easy to mess up on. Ooh, red could be cute. Oh, I want to change this to black. That sounds like I'm saying too many things, too many fast times. Sorry, no, it's not very fair. Guys, it's not just, okay, thank you. Dad? No, definitely not. I don't, wait, what about these shoes? No, I think, no, wait, no, that's kind of cool. That, I'm not sure, I haven't seen it. Someone told me, like, I got a jammogram thing from an Arctic Wolf, like, an Arctic Wolf animal. It said, 1 second. It was from an Arctic Wolf. saying you're only cool if you're an Arctic wolf. But that's not true because really, honestly, you can be cool on Animal Jam. Like, your own style is cool, pretty much. So, I want to shop. No, I'm actually not going to be here. I'm going to go to Epic Wonders. Epic. Where's Epic Wonders again? Epic Wonders. 1 second, guys. I have to swallow this. It's just, I have to. Bye. Have you guys heard of or seen Apari's, one of like Apari's Mail Times? He was opening one of his Jamagrams, and they were those galoshes shoes, and he was opening them, and then the music, it goes, what are those? Because I'll have to show you guys what the galoshes are, so then you're not like, what are you talking about? Alright, to find some really nice shoes. Shoes, yes please. It's a family for the boy of my dreams. Much more than a cream. Oh my god, Jamagram, it's probably not that cool. Gift me, please. I need clothing. Same, but I'm same. I heard like, watch, guys. S-A-M-E. You can actually send it with 2 E's. Oh wait, no. For some of them, like, trade, you can actually add 2 E's. Oh, maybe it's only for here. For this. You can go. Wait, no. I remember when I did not know what rare stuff was, like on Animal Jam, I didn't know there was rare stuff, even if it said rare. And I was like gifting away all my rare stuff, and I was like, happy holidays, and they were like, oh my goodness, thank you so much. And I was like, it's, she sent me another drink. Because I know, okay? Animal Jam, oh, I got a gift. Ooh, cool. A panda plushie. A panda plushie. A panda. Okay, once I find these shoes, once I finish the, wait, what am, oh, what are those things that, like, they're anklets? I want to see if anyone has them. Oh, they were like, okay. I want to see where there's any, like, clothing store. Well, okay, if anybody knows what I'm talking about, put their name, like, I thought that girl just had them. No. They go around your feet, and they're like, let's see if they have them here. See, these are the galoshes. I think they're going out nowadays since they got so. It's not these. It's not these. It's like for the feet. Let's see if these could be cool. No, it's not. It cannot look good with my animal. For sure. Did you probably already heard this, guys? But I want to see if they have gray ones because I guess those are good enough. Blah 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 blah. Oh, those are kind of funny. I was taking my daily vitamins earlier, and I had it the long way, so it almost choked me. Not these. They're kind of like those, but not exactly. Yeah. Oh, this looks kind of sweet. I'm not sure. I want to pick a pattern. Let's have our pattern in white. Or we can do this part. No. This part black, and then this part white. And this part black. No. Oh yes, it looks set white and black. Oh, wait. White and white. No. What is that? Honestly, if I heard that, like, I hear a lot of things, guys. Gift me. If you say gift me in your Arctic Wolf, then it's like, gives you, like, yeah. Of course I will. I just did the dab. Bless me. I don't look cool. I honestly don't think I look cool at all. I think orange. Don't be guys. Don't be hated on me. I'm just gonna try this. Okay. Where's the orange? Oh no, not that one. No, not no. This one. And this. No, actually, no. This will be white. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Wake up in the morning, then I tell you know what's up to drop, and my kind name is Nene. Wake up in the morning, then I tell get to pull up on the block. Today I get to whip, and you know I talk drop, cause my car name is Nene. Do. A bunch of my friends don't know about that song. Oh yes. No, I like this one next to it. Oh yeah. We'll wake up in the morning, then I know that's a drop. Oh wow, that's pretty. Oh wow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Well, that's purple, not purple. I kind of look cool, you know. Let's go to Jumanji. Wake up in the morning. Oh, guys, I have those fake spike collars. I'm so not cool. My friends don't walk, they run. Oh. Oh, what's the song go? My friends don't walk, they run. Wait, my friends don't walk, they run. Skinny dipping out of rabbit holes for fun. Poppin' balloons with guns. I love that song, well, I used to love that song. Poppin' balloons with guns. Song. Getting high off helium. Peyton. Oh, painting with red. Each shade from a different person. Oh yeah. We paint white roses red. Each shade from a different person. Yeah, I like that song. It's like I know that one. That's so such a song from long times ago. Okay, I think that is it for this Animal Jam video. Tell me in the comment section down below if any of you guys respond. what do you think a good outfit would be for a Arctic wolf, because I'm kind of skeptical. I'm not sure, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in my next video.